Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by working with hair that's clean and mostly dry. This product grips better at about 70 to 80% dryness. Once ready, scoop a pea-sized amount and warm it between your palms until it becomes glossy and pliable. You should apply from the roots toward the mid-lengths to spread product evenly. Make sure to add more in small increments if you need stronger hold rather than dumping it on at once. Now sculpting is where you create shape and texture. You can use your fingertips for a piecey, natural finish or a comb for polished lines. Focus on problem areas like cowlicks or the crown. Once done, layer tiny amounts to build texture without making hair stiff. Apply, assess, and repeat. Keep in mind that fine hair needs noticeably less product, while coarse hair tolerates a bit more. This balancing avoids weighed down or greasy results. Finish by refining edges and locking the shape. You can use a light mist or simply let your breath and fingers settle stray hairs. If things look greasy or heavy, don't panic. Wash with a clarifying shampoo, towel dry, and restart using noticeably less wax. This fixes buildup and shows you the right amount. Make sure to store the tin sealed and away from direct heat so the texture stays consistent and easy to warm in your hands.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.